Caleb, a Rain Garden news channel, and we're reporting about Mr. John Fitzgerald Kennedy. John Fitzgerald Kennedy was a Democrat. Years of presidency was 1961 to 1963. His 35th president. Important legislation / law that he passed was the Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. That was the U.S. and the Soviet officials agreeing not to test nuclear bombs in air, space, or water. His presidential importance that he addressed the civil rights actions on live television and proposes the enactment of civil rights legislation. Important event. We can just edit that out. Yeah. Important event: JFK assassination. Lee Harvey Oswald shoots and kills JFK in Dallas, Texas, where the president is campaigning for re-election. I'm Caleb 2 times, signing out from Rain Garden News Television.